The union is requesting a new bonus scheme. Recruitment for the new position is being done in a house. The auditor found several problems in the balance sheet. The sales results from the first quarter are not very promising. The new trainee has developed a reputation for being very thought of. The company website provided a live broadcast of the president's speech. In long-term, return on the investment in blue chip stocks was phenomenal. Avoiding the high brokerage fee is one advantage to investing through the internet.